Good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 22 from verse 1 to verse 6. Judas sell out Jesus. The holiday where people didn't bread without yeast and where the name Passover did soon come. And the head priest and the law teacher them did try find one way to get rid of Jesus under the quiet, cause them did afraid of the people them. Then Satan go in at Judas, we then call Iscariot. Him did one of Jesus 12 apostles them. So Judas got the head priest and the top man them where guard God house to talk about how him could have sell out Jesus and give him over to them. Them glad so till and promise to pay him. Judas make bargain with them and he wait for the chance when the crowd not there to give Jesus over to them. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.